Yes, my name is Engineer Chike Rebunaya. Welcome to College Designs and Construction Limited. Um, the topic of cost has been a very serious concern in construction for a while, and I want to address that. A lot of times, when an engineer tells a client, "I'm going to save cost for you," he takes it as just a normal statement. Um, he thinks maybe if I just call one person on the streets, he will just do what is there. He will just do this and do that. That is the same thing that was done in the other building, and it's standing. So he doesn't know that every building is unique. So now, what ways are your engineer going to save cost for you? Number one is that he's going to do what we call structural analysis and design. And the analysis phase is going to take the forces, calculate, we make calculations to determine the forces and moments acting on your structure. Now use it to perform the design proper. Now in the design phase, it's going to also make calculations and then now provide the sizes and spacing of the reinforcements that will be used for your foundation, for your beams, and then your slabs, and also your columns. Um, Especially when the building has more than one floor. If it's a story building, like going to 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 floors and above. So do not make the mistake of going to give a mason man such projects to handle for you, because at the end of the day, you are going to regret it. You are going to regret it. Now, your mason man is going to, for instance, if the engineer designed a slab to be spaced at 200 or 250, now your mason doesn't know what we call design, so you may just use 150 spacing for all the panels in the building, both for small panels and big panels. Now, if he has done that, what he has succeeded in doing is that he has made you spend 1.5, like 1.5, or in most cases, in some cases, 2 times what you are supposed to spend on that decking. Well, if the structural engineer was consulted and he designed it, and then the specifications he provided was actually followed in the course of construction, all these losses will be avoided. And you know, these losses we are talking about, it runs into millions, especially if it is going to more than one suspended floor. You do for the first floor, do for second floor, do for third floor. By the time you merge all of the losses together, you see that you have lost a huge amount of millions. Now, another place where your engineer is going to save costs for you is in the area of concrete mixes. That is what we call mixed design. Now, your mason man doesn't know mixed design. An engineer may design for a C20 concrete or C30. Now, and the mason man will just go and mix for C15 or anything less. So in doing that, he has increased the cost of construction again, that runs into millions. So all of these things, when you merge them together, you see that it's actually cheaper to hire a structural or a civil engineer from the beginning of the project than maybe going to consulting when you're now running helter skelter. Maybe the mason has put you into problem and into losses. You're now looking for somebody who is going to help you save costs, and by that time it's already too late. Because in construction, once they have done it, once they have casted it, even to correct a mistake that was made by a mason man, you still need to spend money to correct the mistake. So by that time it becomes penny wise, pound foolish. So in order to avoid all these losses, you consult your structural engineer or your civil engineer from the beginning of the project so that it will help you in planning. Maybe after the architect has done his architectural design, he passes it to the structural engineer who does the structural design. And then at the end of the day, they plan everything together, and then the construction phase, everything will be moving seamlessly according to design. So do not say that it's expensive hiring a structural engineer. Even your mechanical services and electrical service, all of them should be combined together in order to achieve a successful project. So don't say that it's expensive to hire them. It's actually cheaper to hire them from the beginning than losing a lot of money in the actual construction process. Thank you so much.